What's up, guys? Jake Frad, the car guy here, and we are checking out the brand new 2024 F150 LARIAT. I love what they've done with the redesign on the F150, starting with this new front end. You've got the brand new, haven't seen it before, white on blue, bigger Ford badge, and that LARIAT's got that top-down camera with cameras on either side of the truck to give you that 360 surround view, which is super convenient when you're parking. It pairs super well with your front sensors, and what you see here is your chrome appearance on the LARIAT, which is a super nice look. Right around here, we've got our signature, the wraparound LED lighting right here, as well as independently activated front lights, fog lights. Coming around the side, you've got your chrome 20-inch wheels, Ford center cap. They look fantastic, and they match the running boards that run the length of the truck, as well as your mirror caps right here. Keyless door entry, so at the touch of this, you put your thumb on that lock button and you got the key in your pocket. You don't even have to press the button. Checking out that window sticker, there's just a couple of ads here. You've got your Blue Cruise 90-day trial pack that comes with the LARIAT, so that's our hands-free driving. We also have our tow haul package, and we also see this awesome FX4 off-road package, which gets us our skid plates, our good off-road suspension. Matching chrome exhaust tip here, as well as your chrome bumper. And one cool thing I love that we've done with the 24 LARIAT is that power drop-down tailgate. So touch of a button, that tailgate drops right down. Super convenient for when you got a big load and you need to access that tailgate. Everybody knows about your dual bottle openers we've had since, I believe, the year 2020. But now you've also got your 120 volt charger standard, and we also have a little cubby hiding hole lock storage in your rear. I'm gonna hop on inside. We'll give this thing a cold start, see how she sounds. Love the sound of that 5-liter V8 engine paired with our 10-speed transmission. And I also love the interior on our LARIAT. This is our two-tone gray with our black accents with a little bit of brown trim running throughout. Looks absolutely fantastic, and more than that, what's even more important is they're incredibly comfortable. And speaking of comfort, you've got heated seats, heated steering wheel, and you've also got cooled seats, and they're all with physical touch buttons, so they didn't integrate that into the touchscreen, which is something a lot of people have a preference for, I know. Checking out our drive modes, you know about the great drive modes, we've been over them, but just to go over them briefly, you've got your sport mode, your eco, and your tow haul mode. Remember, this one has the tow package, so it'll pull, you know, over 7 tons. Your slippery mode, good for wet, icy, snowy roads. Your off-road for those trails, that rough terrain. And it activates that forward camera. And you see right here is the tire track pattern, which is also brand new for 2024. Super cool, it works great, I believe, also with our Bronco type stuff for your trail crawl. So fantastic front camera, rear camera. You also have a camera for your bed, which I'll show you right here. And just every kind of conceivable view. I mean, you see the 360 top-down view. You see that camera coming out of the bed. See the camera running either length of the mirror. So this is your trailer reverse guidance camera. And it actually expands how much camera size you've got, just to give you a little bit more capability here if you're backing up those bigger trailers, say a big boat, something like that. But we love what they've done with the camera. We love the 360 package. We also love our digital dash. So right up there, only 7 miles on this one. And of course, we know about the My View, which customizes the digital dash so it looks the same every time. And basically, you can set that with any kind of status or information you'll want about the truck so that it's ready for you. We talked about Blue Cruise. This one also has adaptive cruise if you aren't using that hands-free Blue Cruise driving. So it keeps you a set distance behind the car in front of you. You've got your lane keeping, and one of my favorite things is that premium Bang & Olufsen sound system, which is great. This one, remember, is an FX4 truck, so it's got your standard 4-wheel drive right out of the box, which is great. 4 high, 4 low, but you've also got 4 automatic now, which is great for folks a little bit less familiar, and the truck will kind of know what power distribution you need. this right here is a knob for your Pro Trailer Backup Assist, and when it's hitched up properly, you can actually hitch a trailer and use that as the steering wheel instead of the actual wheel. And this is actually a really cool kind of use for the 360 camera. You see, we've got people parked incredibly poorly in our employee parking lot here as we go to return this truck. But you see how easily I slid right between that incredibly tight spot. And that's only partially due to my incredible driving ability. It's also due to that great 360 camera. And we see here, we're back at our beautiful J.C. Lewis Ford dealership. Walker Paul Tedders, I want to thank you for doing a great job on the camera, and I want you people to go ahead and subscribe to our channel. If you haven't done it already, you're missing a lot of content because we got a lot more great Ford trucks, Ford vehicles coming. Pan around the lot real quick, Walker. Look at these vehicles, folks. You can hit us up at certifiedcarguys@gmail.com, and you can get absolutely any truck you want. We're going to make it happen. We'll bring it to you, or you can come to us and have a 5-star white glove dealership experience. Like and subscribe. Walker Paul, what else you got for the people?
Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep up with us, and if you need a vehicle, hit us up at certifiedcarguys@gmail.com. We'll get right back with you. We got our team watching that email at all times of the day, and we will get right back with you with the information you need.
24/7, 365. You know you got to like and subscribe. Thanks.